Hey guys, padung mi sa Eaton Center. Morning, pinakadako ng mall dito.
I think we should go to the City Hall if we come back to eat.
So,
right?
morning, pinakadako na mall daw nila diri.
Yeah, we go in. Yeah. Oh, I need to pee first too. Let's go washroom again.
Ang mga locals na himong tourist. Ako rin tourist, pati sila na tourist. We are now, there is a Yonge Street. There is a Toronto, City of Toronto. Sila Apple and Kaloy. Lakaw lang mi kay mahal ang parking, $20. Anyway, walking distance lang man ang Eaton. So, lakaw lang mi dito sa downtown Toronto. Yeah. Hello guys. Na natasulod sa Eaton. Sa biggest mall dito sa Toronto. So, imagine niyo ang nakita sa YouTube sa una. Karoon na nako dere. Si Shaworski. Ski. Okay?
I need City Hall is there. I need to go washroom.
Washrooms are down here.
Where's the bird? It's the bird that I'm looking. Yeah, Torate. Hey, that's the bird I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Why, did you see that somewhere?
Yeah, in YouTube, in Mera's video, and now I'm here.
Canada Goose.
Yeah, Canada Goose. Nakita na ako.
No.
So ako na jud ang naabot na jud ko dire. Even in Mama's picture, I saw that birds.
Wako tong fountain sa ubos.
So wala pa kayo tao.
Sa gawas kay.
Wala pa kayo tao. Yeah.
This is the Apple store. Look at the size of it.
Yeah, it's so massive.
You gotta see.
Yeah.
Laptops, telephones.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Oh, ate is
See it?
maybe later.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah, ate will. Carlos and Melody. Si ano rin sa minister. Harvard Cross. It is the words that I am looking for. Guys, naladyo ko sa mga birds.
So before years ago,
Yeah.
all the windows at Christmas time
Yeah.
used to be done as a Christmas scene.
So here, we
Yeah.
used to live down there, right? James and Queen Street. So Mama used to come. We used to come and take the streetcar from there to here. This was open. We can keep on going, coming here. The streetcar stops here.
Yeah.
Makita ni siya.
Ano siyang old na City Hall?
If you get in
A
trouble,
court.
this is where you come if you get in trouble.
Taelo.
The courthouses
Yeah.
are all here.
Toronto Eaton Center.
Ay, oo.
Pa-picture si Vinci.
Grabe, stone pa ang gamit, oh. Bato.
Diri taag. Nakita mo.
Yeah. Bato pa yung gamit ba?
You gonna be able to go and get across there?
Grabe. Oh, sorry ata usabaan na. So guys, mauni sila guys. Court. Gilumot na gusto kakaraan, oh. Mauni building nila diri guys. Wala kay court kaso. So diha ka na building mag report of appeal. Yeah. Paraan tayo. Hmm?
Old building.
Old building na siyang Hudson's Bay. So, gi-close din nila guys, kay magbutang day sila diri og subway. So, wala na tong TTC na ginakuha nila. Grabe guys, no? Woo! So old. Nakaloy. Luwas man ay. Unsa ni diri te? Unsa gani ni na building te?
Old
Adi,
courthouse.
ya, curious ako TV. Diha lang ka. Oh, naka-video na.
Okay, nami sa downtown Toronto, and we're at the old courthouse. And then behind it or beside it is the City Hall of Toronto. We're going there soon. So yeah, this is the old courthouse, old building. They preserved it. The stone's really nice and beautiful. And then you could see the old doors, antique doors right there. The antique doors are right there. And there's another antique doors right here. So yeah, so that's the main entrance. See, look at the details of the carvings. Really nice. On top there's the clock. I know we can't see it right now, but when this is the clock, but we can take a look later.
Yung stone, yung pag-chisel, ana ba?
Karaan kaya.
So, mo nilang courthouse. And in memory sa mga Battle of Ypres, Somme, itong mga Canadians na nangamatay, Passchendaele. So, mo ni street, na I don't know saan siya na street. Si Ate Ludi is na dito. And si Ian. Gukod og mga langgam. So, courthouse na diri ang ilahang syudad. Downtown. Lahi jud kayo guys. Hey, mo man day no? Oh, kanang new, di ba?
Diri katong winter mag-skating, naka-skate si
Lindsay. So na dito ang City Hall guys, bagong City Hall. Kana akong gitudlo na U-shape the building. More lang new City Hall.
That's the new one there.
I also saw that in YouTube.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
And then the big sail na dito.
Yeah.
Naka-pictures na thing.
Now I'm really here. Nadyo ko dere. Kita na ako ng City Hall nila.
Can you variegated money?
Mani?
Dili ko ano?
I thought mani.
Money plant ba?
So guys, naging kuan na sila guys. Butangan na nilag bato guys kay tungod na itong hitabo sa Toronto. Sa Vancouver. Oh, lagi, wadam ha. Wala na ako damhan na ibayat eh. Namakanip ako. Wala naman ako.
Nag-deny ka?
Oh, dinay bayat ko.
Ako ka na-deny ato.
Dili nag-change ba og system kay
Buwatan lang nila tong imong kuan.
Dili katong nag-apply mi kami nila mano apply mi og for immigrant talaga jud. Nya nag-change man to og system kay bag-o na orang director.
Pas picture.
Unsa asa man? Sige te. Diri na lang ko tabok.
Wait.
Diri lang ko. Guys, mga na siya guys. Tara ang City Hall. City Hall. Then, cheers. Cheers.
Ito kaunya.
Or dere na lang.
Dire.
Uy, gwapo, kitang City Hall, oh.
Oh, sige. Dire. Ako gidalay mo kape ha.
So, mga na guys. Court nila. So, siminto jud man lang. So, again. Kalimot ko sa akong shades. Kanina building is
Suara sa mo nagpaduol na sa o. Wait.
ay, nako. Makalingaw. The city. May activities. Uyok ako guys. Ang tuyok kaising na. To meet Ate Lode. And right now in front of me is ang courthouse ng Toronto. So ice cream. Ice cream mo din na.
And so Jamie would have an assumption that my character should be able to do X, Y, and Z.
Bago kayo?
Yun
Tanawa
ako.
kayo. Ang clock. Giving aside.
Ang tingog na ron. By 12. 5 minutes na lang. Tingog na siya. Guys. It's 12 o'clock. 12 noon na. Kanina siya ang courthouse. This is also their old City Hall. So, it's 12 o'clock in the noon. So, 12 po nakabagting guys. So, may mga tent, no? Kay mo man yung kuha na sila yung murag activity ba? Murag Asian Festival siguro. Murag nga na guys ba? Murag Asian Festival. Wala yung mga tents. So, wala na. Undang na. Undang na guys. Wala kabut 12. And si ate para pahulay. Kapok ngayon ako damhati. Lumabot na ako doon. Postcard lang niyo.
Daabot na gid siya Toronto.
Postcard lang. YouTube.
May gani, wala ningon patanawa ko sa mong visa be.
Grabe na yun sila ka.
Ay, nice puting pangalan. Na ay mga art fest karon dire.
No? Dati, kahoy na submarine.
Kaning pond, mahimo ni siyang skating rink pag winter. Baga na siya kaayo diha.
Ganay sa tamo.
Sunod na.
Kasi mag-inita, summer, sunod balik na puhon. God's willing. Sugod si San Miguel, pabalikon ko niya.
Hoping nga ko, ana.
Hoping na for good. Flags of provinces of Canada. Manikwa na yun, may hangin. No winds.
Saat bang unya?
Oo. Nami diri guys. Manabok ni guys.
1889.
1889. So manabok ni guys. The flags of Canada.
1845.
Sa likod.
180 years old.
Namin ate guys. Magpa-picture mi sa mga flags sa provinces of Canada guys. Kana ano nasa atbang guys. Ano yung mga flags sa provinces of Canada. Lay hangin. Dulong namin sa Eaton Center guys. Tanang gargoyles. Gargoyles. Sa akong right is the old City Hall and the Game Court. And karon City of transfer na sa guys.
They come in here, the prisoners.
Oh, really?
They come here.
The truck comes with the prisoners. They go to that.
Yeah.
That's this wide, eh? As wide as the circle.
Yeah.
And it almost hits the roof.
Guys. Christmas daw. Naikahoy diri Christmas tree. And the fountain, guys. This is Eaton Center. There, fountain.
Because you know how this fountain works. The water builds up, and then it shuts down, and then you shoot up.
Gunaw na sa fountain. Kalog. The fountain. Sorry for Victoria Plaza, guys. Underarm.
You're all day. There's 40 holes in there.
Really?
Yeah.
So what? Different truck?
No, same truck. They park outside.
Really?
Yeah.
Kolektado diri ang drinks na truck every day.
They do inspectors, they do bath and body work, garage.
Jimmy the Greek. Mga only.
It's getting something.
Somewhere else?
Yeah.
Sanite.
Aw.
Sanite.
Nandito mi sa Eaton Center nga food court. Yung mo niya mong gi-order Jimmy the Greek.
Yeah, Greek.
Food with salad, potato.
Kung nga amin ni ate, kay daghan na kayo. Jimmy the Greek. Si Ian is na dito sa ramen house. Nangita. Palit pa siya ramen. Naunta guys. Mga nilang kuwan guys. Kananan. This mga nilang kananan guys. Yes, Carlo and Melody and Ian. So we're going up, I think. We're going up.
You have this in the Philippines, right?
Guba na pido, kapit ka.
Pati lang si Arte Guba.
Oh, Carlos. Let's use this.
H&M. Oh, H&M eh. Kids.
That's a good picture.
Kung magupas Maria na, gabi
Lingaw yun kasi Maria.
Dalarang.
Yeah.
Asa kahin? Dundas Square. Yeah, tapat sa Eaton Center ang Dundas Square. Nara sightseeing tour for Toronto.
Sakay sila.
May sakay.
Hindi dali mag music, di ba?
Oh, nya maghatag kagkuan. Barya-barya. Mo ni busiest street diri.
Cebu Palicolod.
Oh, busy street.
Cebu Street. San Pedro ni sa to Ian Carlo is over there. There's tired. O din siyang pinaka-busiest street dito sa downtown Toronto.
Unang stage hill off.
Sa
May mga program, mga Filipino culture.
Okay ka na. Guys, na ako karon sa Dundas Street. Mo ni ate.
Yeah, what I told him is the tanawang pigeons.
Ginapakaon niya, no? Ginapakaon niya. Night pigeon, no? Ginapakaon yung pigeon, guys. Yeah. Pakaon yung pigeon. Ayun. My God. Kuhaan ako. Ate. I call it, diba? I caught it in video, ba? This old theater, guys. Ito guys, namidari sa guys. Skyrim. Nanaw may mga toys dari gamings. Alam may mga toys dari mga games.
Was it?
Massey Hall. This used to be a concert hall for a musician. Massey Hall.
You're not going to sell out the sky. You need 40, 50,000 people, right? And when you're new, right? To the bottom, you see that white building there?
Yeah.
That's theirs too.
Oh.
Right down to the end.
Yeah.
And this is theirs now too.
Hmm.
St. Michael's Research.
Wow, it's a very big hospital,
Yeah.
Te. Ay, wala ka din ng flight eh.
Wala ko na-apply.
Oh, St. Michael's Hospital.
Pero naka-duty ko sa
Exactly what it was.
Old house. St. Michael's Cathedral. Balik na mi.